Find the derivative of the function y equals 2 to the power of 3x squared. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to let u represent 3 to the power of x squared. And therefore, if we do that, then we would then let y equal 2 to the power of u. Okay, now in step number 1, we want to be able to find the derivative of u with respect to x. So in order to do that, we got to use our definition of a derivative of a to the x. Well, that equals a to the x times the natural log of a. Now the difference here is that this x now is x squared, so we need to use the chain rule to then find the derivative of that as well. So what we're going to do is the following. We're going to first write the definition. So a to the x is the same thing as 3 to the x squared times the natural log of the value of a, which is 3. Okay. Then we need to take the derivative with respect to x of x squared. So therefore, we end up with 3 to the power of x squared times the natural log of 3, and the derivative of x squared is 2x. And so therefore, this is going to represent the derivative of u with respect to x. Okay, now over here, for next step number 2 here, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to use the derivative definition of the base, a constant raised to a power of x. So we want to find the derivative of y with respect to u. And so therefore, this is going to be 2 to the power of u times the natural log of 2. And so therefore, now we need to substitute what we initially establish what u would equal. And so we know that we said that u is equal to 3 to the power of x squared. So this is going to be 2 to the power of 3x squared times the natural log of 2. So in step 3, we're going to use our definition. We know that the derivative of y with respect to x is the same thing as y prime. So we're looking for y prime, which is dy over dx, and we know that that's equal to the derivative of y over the derivative of u times the derivative of u over the derivative of x. And so we know that we have 2 to the power of 3x squared times the natural log of 2 times, we know that du over dx is 3 to the power of x squared times the natural log of 3 times 2x. And therefore, that represents the derivative of this function.